Now here we solve remaining question of exercise 10.2. Question number 5. Find scalar and vector component of a vector with initial point. Here given initial point 2 1 and terminal point -5 7. Find scalar and vector component. First denote both point by A and B. Let A21 is the initial point and B -5 7 is terminal point. Now find the vector AB. We know that vector AB is equal to terminal point minus initial point. So is equal to, take a difference of corresponding component, -5 -2 become -7, 7 -1 become 6. So -7 6 is a vector AB. So is equal to, change into linear combination form, -7i plus 6j. Here scalar component are coefficient of I and j, -7 6. Vector component are with a vector -7i and 6j. Clear? Now question number 6. Find the sum of vector A is equal to I minus 2j plus k, B is equal to -2i plus 4j plus 5k, and C is equal to I minus 6j minus 7k. Find the sum of all. Here A plus B plus C is equal to, A is equal to I minus 2j plus k plus B is equal to -2i plus 4j plus 5k plus C is equal to I minus 6j minus 7k. So is equal to, now arrange the terms, I minus 2i plus I minus 2i plus I plus with a component j minus 2j plus 4j minus 6j. Now with a k plus 5k minus 7k is equal to, Here minus 2i plus I becomes 0i. Here minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 plus 4 becomes minus 4j. Here 5 plus 1 6 minus 7 become minus k. So this is a plus b plus c. That is a minus 4j minus a k. Here component in a direction of x component is a 0. Question number 7. Find unit vector in a direction of I plus j plus 2k. We know that unit vector in the direction of A is A upon a mod of A. First find the magnitude of A. Here mod of A is equal to root of 1 square is a 1. Write the first 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square is equal to root of, here 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4. Here 1 is a coefficient of I, this one is a coefficient of j, and 2 is a coefficient of k. So is equal to root of, here this becomes 6. Therefore unit vector in a direction of A is equal to, we know that A upon mod of A is equal to, A is equal to I plus j plus 2k upon a mod of A is equal to 1 upon root of 6. This becomes unit vector in a direction of A, or 1 upon root 6 I plus 1 upon root 6 j plus 2 upon root 6 k. This becomes a unit vector. 1 upon root 6 I plus 1 upon root 6 j plus 2 upon root 6 k. Clear? This is a unit vector in direction of A. Now question number 8. Find the unit vector in a direction of vector PQ, where P and Q are the point 1, 2, 3 and the Q 4, 5, 6 respectively. Find a unit vector in a direction of a PQ. First find the PQ. Here vector PQ is equal to position vector of a Q, that is 4, 5, 6 minus position vector of a P 1, 2, 3. So is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3, 5 minus 2, that is 4, 3, here 6 minus 3, that is a 3. So PQ is a vector 3, 3, 3. Now find magnitude of this. Therefore mod of PQ is equal to root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square is equal to root of 3 square, 3 square, 3 square take common, with the square root, so we get 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 root of 3. Therefore unit vector in direction of PQ, unit vector in direction of PQ is equal to PQ upon mod of PQ is equal to, here PQ is equal to 3, 3, 3 upon mod of PQ is equal to 3 root 3. Now dividing by 3 root 3 to all component, we get 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3. So this becomes unit vector in direction of a PQ. In a linear combination form, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3 into ijk is equal to 1 upon root 3 I plus 1 upon root 3 j plus 1 upon root 3 k. This becomes unit vector in direction of given vector PQ. Now question number 9. For given vector A is equal to 2I minus j plus 2k and the vector B is equal to minus I plus j minus k, find a unit vector in a direction of A plus B. To find the unit vector in a direction of A plus B, first find A plus B. Vector A plus B is equal to, A is equal to 2I minus j plus 2k plus B is equal to minus I plus j minus k is equal to 2I minus I becomes I, minus j plus j becomes 0 j, 2k minus k become plus k. Clear? Therefore, magnitude of AB is equal to root of 1 square is 1 plus 0 square is 0 plus 1 square is 1 is equal to root 2. So, unit vector in direction of A plus B is equal to A plus B upon mod of A plus B. So is equal to, here A plus B is equal to, we have I plus 0j plus k upon mod of A plus B is equal to root of 2. So is equal to 1 upon root 2I plus 0j upon root 2, that is nothing, that is 0, plus 1 upon root 2 k. Clear? So this becomes unit vector in direction of A plus B. Now question number 10. Find the vector in a direction of vector phi I minus j plus 2k which has magnitude 8 unit. First, suppose a given vector by A. Let vector A is equal to phi I minus j plus 2k. Now find magnitude of given vector. Root of 5 square 25 minus 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 is equal to root of 30. Now find unit vector in a direction of given vector. Unit vector in a direction of A is equal to, we know that A upon mod of A is equal to A is equal to phi I minus j plus 2k upon mod of A is equal to root of 30. Then find the vector of magnitude 8 in a direction of given vector. Therefore, vector of magnitude 8 in a direction of A is equal to 8 into unit vector in a direction of A, that is A upon mod of A, is equal to 8 upon root 30 into phi I minus j plus 2k. Now multiplying by 8 upon root 30 to each terms, we get 8 into 5, 40 upon root 30 I minus 8 upon root 30 j plus 8 to 16 upon root 30 k. This becomes a required vector of magnitude 8 in a direction of given vector. Now question number next, number 11. Show that vector 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. First denote both vector by A and B. Let vector A is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k and vector B is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. We know that for two vector A and B, if A is equal to lambda B, then we say that A and B are collinear vector. Here vector B is equal to minus 2i plus 6j minus 8k. Here vector B is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Taking some common terms and change into reducing form. Here minus 2 take outside, that is take common, we get 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Here 2i minus 3j plus 4k, 2i minus 3j plus 4k is a vector A. So is equal to minus 2 vector into vector A. That is vector B is equal to minus 2 into vector A. So vector A and B are said to be collinear. Therefore A and B are collinear. Clear? Now next, number 12. Find the direction cosine of vector I plus 2j plus 3k. First denote given vector by A or x. Let vector A is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Now find unit vector in a direction of given vector. Therefore, mod of A is equal to root of 1 square is a 1 plus here 2 square plus 3 square is equal to root of 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is a 4 plus 3 square is a 9 is equal to root of become 14. So magnitude of this is equal to root 14. Therefore, unit vector in a direction of A is equal to A upon mod of A is equal to, here vector A is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k upon a mod of A is equal to root 14. So is equal to, here we get 1 upon root 14 I plus 2 upon root 14 j plus 3 upon root 14 k. Here direction cosine cos alpha is equal to first component 1 upon root 14 cos beta is equal to 3 upon root 14 and cos gamma is equal to 3 upon root of, here this is a 2 upon root 14 and cos gamma is equal to 3 upon root of 14. Clear? Now question number 13. Find the direction cosine of vector joining A 1 2 minus 3 B minus 1 minus 2 1 directed from A to B. First find vector AB. Vector AB is equal to position vector of B, that is minus 1 minus 2 1 minus position vector of A 1 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 that is minus 2 minus 2 become minus 4 1 minus minus plus 3 become plus 4. Therefore, vector AB in a vector component form minus 2i minus 4j plus 4k. Clear? Now find direction cosine. Direction cosine of AB is equal to A upon mod of AB, B upon mod of AB and C upon mod of AB. First find the magnitude of AB. Here mod of AB is equal to root of 2 square is a 4 plus 4 square is a 16 plus 4 square is a 16 is equal to root of, here becomes 20 plus 3 30 plus 6 36 is equal to 6. Therefore, direction cosine cos alpha is equal to first component upon a mod of AB, that is minus 2 upon 6 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Similarly, cos beta is equal to second component upon a 6, that is a 4 upon 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3, and cos gamma is equal to 4 upon a mod of AB, that is a 6 is equal to 2 upon 3. Becomes direction cosine. Clear? Question number 40. Show that the vector I plus j plus k is inclined to axis or x or y or z. That means here we find cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. If value of all direction cosine equal, then we say that alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. That is this vector inclined equal angle with ox, oy, oz. Clear? First denote given vector by a. Let vector a is equal to I plus j plus k. Therefore find the magnitude of a. Mod of a is equal to root of 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1 is equal to root of 3. Therefore direction cosine of a, direction cosine of a are cos alpha is equal to first component upon a mod of a, that is 1 upon root 13. Cos beta is equal to 1 upon root 13, and cos gamma is equal to third component upon mod of a, that is 1 upon root 13. Here cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma. So alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. So we say that vector inclined equal angle. Here cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma. Therefore a inclined to the axis or x or y and oz equally, or a equally inclined to this axis. Clear? Now question number 15. Find the position vector of R which divide the line segment joining point PQ with the position vector R. Position vector of P is I plus 2j minus k, and the position vector of Q I plus j plus k minus I plus j plus k. Here R divides PQ in a ratio 2:1 from P. Number 1. Here R divide PQ in a ratio 2:1 internally. Therefore position vector of R is equal to, we know that 2 into position vector of Q, that is minus I plus j plus k plus 1 into position vector of P I plus 2j minus k upon 2 plus 1. So is equal to 2 take inside, minus 2i plus I becomes minus I. 2j plus 2j become 4j. 2k minus k become plus k. Clear? Upon 2 plus 1, 3 is equal to 1 upon 3i plus 4 upon 3j plus 1 upon 3k. This becomes position vector of R. Similarly, position vector of R which divide PQ in a ratio 2:1 externally. In external form, here we take a minus. R divides PQ in a ratio 2:1 externally. Therefore, position vector of R is equal to 2 into minus I plus j plus k minus here 1 into I plus 2j minus k upon 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 2i minus I becomes minus 3i, 2j minus 2j cancel, 2k minus minus plus k becomes plus 3k upon 1, that is minus 3i plus 3k becomes position vector of R which divide PQ in a ratio 2:1 externally. Now question number 16. Find the position vector of midpoint of the vector joining P 2, 3, 4 and Q 4, 1, minus 2. Here, suppose R is the midpoint of PQ. Let R is midpoint of a PQ. Therefore, R is equal to position vector of P plus position vector of Q upon a 2. Here position vector of P is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k plus position vector of Q is equal to 4i plus j minus 2k upon 2 is equal to 2i plus 4i, 6i upon 2 becomes a 3i, 3j plus j 4j upon 2 becomes 2j, 4k minus 2k becomes 2k upon 2 becomes a k. Clear? So this is the position vector of midpoint of a PQ. Now question number next 17. Show that the point A, B, C with position A 3i minus 4j minus 4k, 3i minus 4j minus 4k B 2I minus j plus k, and the C I minus 3j minus 5k respectively from vector of a right angle triangle. Here we want to show that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle where position vector of A is A, position vector of B is B, and position vector of C is a C. Here find the vector AB. AB is equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A, that is 2I minus j plus k minus 3I minus 4j minus 4k is equal to 2I minus 3I becomes minus I, minus j plus 4j becomes plus 3j, k minus minus plus 4k becomes plus 5k. Find the length AB, that is magnitude of AB. Mod of AB is equal to root of 1 square is 1 plus 3 square is 9 plus 5 square is 25 is equal to here root of 35. Therefore AB square is equal to 35. Take result number 1. Similarly, find the BC. Vector BC is equal to position vector of C, I minus 3j minus 5k minus B is equal to 2I minus j plus k is equal to, now simplify this, I minus 2I becomes minus I, minus 3j minus minus plus j becomes minus 2j, minus 5k minus k becomes minus 6k. Therefore magnitude of BC, that is the length of BC, is equal to root of 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 plus 6 square is 36 is equal to root of 41. Now apply square on both sides. So basic square is equal to 41. Take result number 2. Now find vector CA. CA is equal to position vector of A, 3I minus 4j minus 4k minus position vector of C, I minus 3j minus 5k. So is equal to 3I minus I becomes 2I, minus 4j minus minus plus 3j becomes minus j, minus 4k minus minus plus 5k becomes plus k. Therefore CA, magnitude of this, is equal to root of 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1 is equal to root of 6. Clear? Therefore CX square is equal to 6. Here take a result number 2 and a result number 3. Addition of 35 and 6 become 41. 1. This is a result of 2 already given. Here 35 plus 6 is equal to 41. Therefore, by 1, 2 and 3. Here 35, that is AB square, plus 6, that is the CX square, is equal to 41, that is a B6 square. Clear? Here mod of AB square plus mod of CX square is equal to mod of B6 square. Therefore, we say that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Clear? Or ABC are vertices of a right angle triangle. Okay. Now question number 18. In a triangle ABC, which of the following is not true? Here given figure of triangle A, B and C. First given AB, we know that from this AB plus BC is equal to AC. Here which is not a true? This is true. Remember this, first given A is equal to AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. Here AC take this side, so we get minus AC, and minus AC is equal to CA, so this is a true. Okay. Second, B, AB plus BC minus CA is equal to here AC is equal to 0 vector. AC take this side, so minus AC, so this is also true. And C, AB plus BC minus CA is equal to 0 vector. AB plus BC take this side minus AC, so this become plus CA, so this is a false. Clear? And last, D, AB minus CB plus CA is equal to 0 vector. Here AB plus BC, BC also can be written into form minus CB plus CA equal to 0. This is also true. So only C, AB plus BC minus C is a false. Now question number 19. If A and B are two collinear vectors, then which of the following are incorrect? A, vector B is equal to lambda A for some scalar lambda. Here A and B are two collinear vectors, so this is a true. And number next, B, vector A is equal to plus or minus B. A and B are collinear, so this is also true. C, the respective component of A and B are proportion. Here A is equal to lambda B, or B is equal to lambda A. then the respective component of A and B are in a proportion, so C is also true. And the last D, both the vector A and B have same direction but different magnitude. This is a false. Okay. In next lecture we discuss about next topic. Okay.